to try and improve student aspiration. A lot of our students are unaware of university. I think one of the trips that Mr. Farnham has arranged this year, students were like, what is university? So it's about demystifying that idea, getting them into these buildings, getting them to really see what their opportunities could be here. And with an example like today, it's been really creative and really just lovely to see them have fun in an environment in which they're learning. So it's about building aspiration, building their awareness of the wider world outside of Saltash. Today is an outreach programme with the local schools around the area, and basically all we're doing is teaching them what we do in our courses and how we're about to do that. So for people who want to go into university, whatever course they want to do, it's really important to have this kind of experience for them. It's a brilliant opportunity for them to ask questions as well.
I've come to the creative event at the uni because I got offered a trip at school which could enable me to learn more about design, photography and all the other stuff they offer here.
It's been fantastic from the start. You know, we get greeted really well, everyone's smile on their face, the students have been made to feel really welcome. The lecturers have just been fantastic, all of them funny at all times, which I think, you know, goes a long way with our students. Yeah, I've been really happy with what's happened so far today.
It gives you like an idea of like what you can do after school.
I've already been making notes on like certain things, certainly from the filmmaking lecturer. Definitely going to buy a rostrum, which is something we did in the animation one or the creative media.
The facilities here are incredible. I was really blown away when I came in earlier. It just feels like such a lovely open space. I think to show them the experiences and the life chances that university will offer them, it's just of massive, massive importance. We want to build aspiration at our school anyway, and I think that trips like this, opening those doors, opening their eyes to these opportunities. You can't do it with a talk in school, you can't, you know, with a slideshow. You have to bring them here to see these amazing buildings and to see the vibrance of the students' work as well.